Welcome to Learning Zone.
On the farm, early in the day, the animals wake up, ready to play. The rooster crows, cock-a-doodle-doo. Good morning, everyone, how do you do? Moo, moo, the cow says loud and clear. Baa, baa, the sheep is always near. Cluck, cluck, the chickens strut and thud. The horse gallops by with a happy neigh, while the ducks quack, quack and splash all day. The goat nibbles grass, hopping with glee. On the sun-filled farm there's so much to see. Moo, moo, the cow says loud and clear. Baa, baa, the sheep is always near. Cluck, cluck, the chickens strut and thud. The cat meows softly in the hay. The dog barks happily. Come and play with all these friends. What a happy crew. Learning animal sounds is fun to do. Moo, moo, the cow says loud and clear. Baa, baa, the sheep is always near. Cluck, cluck, the chickens strut and thud. On the farm, every day's a treat. With animals around, life is so sweet.